Okay, girl, this is my last update as I am pretty much finished. I cut that big branch right there where the ladder is. This is the pile. That's a huge pile. I don't even know how we're gonna do it, how we're gonna burn it. And then this tree right here, right there somewhere, can't really see it. That's done. That's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna put the stuff inside and take a shower and start to relax a little bit because I'm tired, hungry, etc. Sa ibas, sa isip mo na.